Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us discuss about one more data type in Python called strings. So, let us create a Python file and let us start exploring about the strings. Let me create a file name string data type. Before discussing about the strings, in the previous chapter we have discussed about the two data types, number and boolean, and under numbers there are two types of numbers we have discussed, integer and float. There is also one more number type called complex. Complex numbers will have a imaginary part. For example, is equal to 5 plus 5j. For example, a is equal to 5 plus 5j. If we check the type of this a, it will display as complex. Let us print the type of a. Let us run. It will show as a complex. This is also one of the types under number. So now let me remove this, and now let us discuss about the data type string. String can be, we can declare the string in Python using either double quotes or single quotes. Let me declare and initialize a string. Let me initialize the string str1 within single quote. This is first string, and similarly we can declare a string also within the double quote. This is second string. These are single line strings. These can be written in single line. Similarly, we can also write multi-line strings. We can also write multi-line strings. Multi-line strings either we can write within triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Multi-line string 1. So we can write within triple single quote line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, like this. This is a multi-line string. Similarly, we can also write within triple double quotes. We can also write a multi-line string within triple double quotes. Say multi-line str2 is equal to triple double quote. We can write within line 1, line 2, line 3, so on. This is how we can declare the string. Now, suppose I want to check the length of the string str1. Then there is a function available to check the length of the string using len. Print length of str1. It will print total number of characters in the string including spaces. Similarly, we can check the length of this string as well. Print length of str, length is 28, and to access the string we can use the for loop, and we can access the elements of the string. We can access the element of the string one by one. For C in str1, print C. It will print the characters of the string one by one. You can see here, this is first string, one by one it is printing the characters. We can also access the string using index. We can also access the characters or elements within a string using indexing. For example, if I want to print the first characters of the string, print str1 of 0. Let me write some. So first character is T. Here we can see the first character of str1 is T, so it can display. Suppose if we want to display fourth character in str1, then we can write it as, it will display fifth character because index will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is space, so nothing is displayed here. Fourth character is a space, fifth character is a space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a space, so nothing is displayed here. So if I place 5, I should display now. See, I is displayed. This is a index 5 means sixth character, I is displayed. So similarly, we can access the elements using the index, and it is using for loop. Regarding the for loops, we will discuss in the upcoming chapters in detail. Check whether a particular substring is present in the string or not using in and not in operators. For example, this in str1, whether this is present in str1, yes, because here it is this, so it will return a true. Let us print this. It will return true. Similarly, I can write this not in str1, it will return false because this is present in str1, false. So we can use in and not in operators to check whether particular substring is present in a given string or not. To summarize what we have learnt here, we have discussed how to write a single line string and multi-line string, and how to find the length of the string, how to use in and not in operators with the string, and also accessing the elements of the string, accessing the elements using index, accessing elements using index. These are the things we have discussed about the string, and we will continue in the next video about the remaining data types. Thank you for watching.